guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite TikTok comments. Select the comment section and select the comment that you want to sort of favorite. So like press on it for a few seconds and then just select add to favorites, and it's going to be in your favorites folder in the comment section. So go to the favorites button here, and it's going to be in the comment section here, and as you can see, the comment will be saved. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, if you found this video helpful, there is a thanks button down below above the description box. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!